I have my little grandbaby James today. It seems like every time that I want to do one of these updates on my vegan diet, he's over. And he's such a good sidekick, I thought we would film an updated vegan diet. Now, what I'm going to show you that I eat, I am not saying that I'm an expert in eating vegan in any sense of the word at all. This is just what I eat and what makes me feel good and the food that works for me. So I have a lot of trouble forcing myself to drink enough liquids during the day. So what I found that works for me is I get this Vitamin Water Zero. This is Rise Orange, and it kind of tastes like Tang, if you remember what that tasted like when you were a kid. So I really like this, but I only drink one of these a day, and I save these containers. So I split this into 4 of these containers, and I'll add in these flavored seltzers. So this one is blueberry lemonade, and this one is ruby red grapefruit. So that is what I will drink during the day. I also started drinking this raw organic dandelion root tea. This is amazing. I don't put anything in it. I don't need honey, sugar, nothing with it. And this is for supporting healthy digestion, aids in liver and kidney detox, and it's raw to preserve the beneficial enzymes. I absolutely love this. I will link these things below. This I got on Amazon. And I do all my shopping through Prime Now, and the only things I did not get from Prime Now is this and my protein powder, which I'll show you. Oh, and my Teamy tumbler. You will always see me with this in my hand. This is the dandelion root tea in here, and I even have a discount code for this tumbler. They have all different colors. I'll put this in the link below. What do you got? You got me these almonds? What? Yeah, almonds. Okay, so as far as what I eat, every single morning I have protein powder. I switched over to the organic. This is Nutribiotic Raw Organic Rice Protein Vanilla. So I do 3 heaping tablespoons of this, and I put it in my Ninja Bullet mixer. I'll link that below where I got it. And I put banana in there. And where's Mimi's blueberries? My organic blueberries. And organic unsweetened almond milk. So that is my smoothie. Every single morning I have that. And if I'm still hungry, I'll just have an extra banana. I'll just eat that. And I also have fresh... Yeah, you helping Mimi? I also have fresh pineapple. I'll just like nosh on that in the morning. So that is my breakfast. So after that, whenever I'm hungry, it depends what I'm in the mood for. I love pickles. These are the organic kosher dill pickles. I'll nosh on some pickles, and oh my gosh, you guys, this is amazing. This is Brad's Crunchy Kale Cheese It Up. This is totally vegan. It has a cheesy taste because it has nutritional yeast in it. It is so delicious. So I'll nosh on this kale chips throughout the day. You wanna hold that for Mimi? And I got these Skinny Pop popcorn cakes. I love these. You can just eat them plain. All it is popcorn and sea salt. And if I want some more nutrition on it, I'll put my organic peanut butter on the rice cakes. Yucky, yucky. Hold your baby. Here's your baby. Ooh, yuck, yuck, yuck. You want your baby? Here, what's your baby doing? Look at all your babies. Say hi, baby. Say hi, baby. Is that your monkey? So this is amazing. And yeah. My absolute favorite yogurt is this Kite Hill Greek yogurt. There is so many different flavors, and I got the plain one this time. And this has 180 calories, 12 grams of fat, 7 carbs, and 11 protein. And the nice thing about this is you get a lot of protein, and it has all of the probiotics in this vegan yogurt. So what I do with the yogurt is I order the raisins like in bulk like this, well, out of their bulk container. This is like a half a pound. So I will put raisins in my yogurt and yucky, and the organic almonds. So I'll mix the almonds and raisins in with the yogurt, and that is a great lunch. When I feel like I'm having a sweet tooth, I've been eating this fruit and nut granola. This is organic granola. It is delicious. It has raisins and nuts and, are you singing? It is so good. So I eat this with my almond milk, and also the organic instant maple spice oatmeal. That's another thing that I'll have if I'm feeling like I have a sweet tooth and want something sweet. So for dinner, I will typically use my rice steamer. I have this organic basmati rice that I'll cook up in the rice steamer. And I will put tomatoes and avocado and just cut that up in there. My Celtic sea salt, which is a good salt that is actually good for you and is not going to raise your blood pressure. And sometimes I'll throw some garbanzo beans or chickpeas. These are organic garbanzo beans. I'll put these in there. And I also get this, oh, yucky. Here, want your carrot? And I also get this Amy's Organic Reduced Sodium Chunky Vegetable Low Fat Vegan Soup. This is so delicious. To make it more hearty as a meal, I will put in some chickpeas and lentils, and or I'll do one or the other. So these are the organic lentils, these are the organic garbanzo beans or chickpeas. And these are some more new things that I'm eating. This is the Miso Cup Reduced Sodium Soup, and this is soy. I actually went to my doctor and she told me to start eating soy. Now, I have been told not to eat soy, especially since I'm getting older. We are told not to eat soy. But my doctor was like, that's old news. You need to eat soy. You need to keep your estrogen balanced. Don't go crazy with it, but it's definitely a good thing to add into your diet. So I'm doing the Miso Cup Reduced Sodium Soup. So that's it, you guys. That is the update to what I'm eating. If you guys have any questions, you can leave comments down below, or any suggestions of great vegan food. I kind of eat low FODMAP because of my digestive issues, and all of these foods are not low FODMAP, but they are definitely what work for me. I also do all of my shopping from Amazon Prime Now. It's an app that you can download. I'm not getting paid for this. This video is not sponsored. I just love it. I have been shopping on Prime Now for months now, and I love it. If you're an Amazon Prime member, it is free delivery to your door, and I just got this food delivered. So it's just so convenient, and the food is fresh, and it comes from Whole Foods. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye. Say bye.